I am back this year with a very traditional haul. I've done this for so many years now. I honestly don't even know what year this is. Is it year 7, year 8? Somewhere up in there, it's how long I've been doing this video, is the Dollar Tree Halloween candy haul. I honestly don't know like why this is still a thing. I know a lot of you actually still ask for this video to come back. And here we are. I'm gonna do it again for you guys. I have to say that I feel like this year I didn't find anything overly new or like groundbreaking. I've seen a Dollar Tree do a lot of really cute things in the past. Maybe it was just my store, so it could be that. But I have 2 full bags of their Halloween candy. So let's get started. First up are these Spooktacular gummy mix. I know Dollar Tree has done something on this level. I'm trying to remember if I remember these little gummies from last year or not. Probably should have watched last year's video back to see. But they are like a sour mix. So you can see in there. And what I love about this is that they're individually wrapped as they should be, right? That's the whole purpose of Halloween candy. So you get 25 pieces in this for the price, especially if your personal like taste in giving out candy for kids includes like a variety mix. I know some people do just like chocolates and chocolate bars or you know, I don't know, like do you have a signature candy that you guys do? Comment down below. I like to be the house where I just have a huge mix of like really interesting candy, because I feel like when you go to Walmart, you get like, you know, the bags of Reese's and Snickers and the chocolate mix, or you get the bag of like Skittles and Starburst. And I feel like as a kid, I wanted my favorite candies. Like, there it is. I think as an adult, I would love to see a variety mix because it would just be fun to like not get the same candy over and over. But anyways, I think this is like one of those special pieces where you're not gonna quite see it at Walmart, and they're really cute. So you get a bloody cherry, a screamy watermelon, and a rooty raspberry. So those are the flavors. Very cute. We do get big name brand at Dollar Tree as well. You're just not gonna get the quantity that you would get somewhere else, I guess you could say. So this is what a package looks like for $1.25. It has strawberry, green apple, blue raspberry, and cherry. And they are also individually wrapped. Super cute. I kind of was expecting more of a Halloween packaging, not that it matters because you open the bag and you pour it in a bowl, but there you go. Then we've got SpongeBob. I feel like SpongeBob, this candy has been around at Dollar Tree for a while, but honestly only recently has it caught my attention because I've tried one of these like little hamburger gummies and they're actually really freaking good. So this is the SpongeBob candy. Again, it's not giving Halloween. I wish there was something different here, but each little hamburger is individually wrapped. So that's great. All right, then we've got the sour taffy. So here is this bag. And how many pieces? We get 12. 12 for $1.25. This could be great though for those houses that just don't get that many kids. As a matter of fact, every house I've lived in, I really haven't gotten that many trick-or-treaters. I feel like this house, I'm gonna get a lot. So I am gonna have to buy even more candy than this. So sour, sweet, and fruity. Yeah, it's just the Warheads, what do you call it? It's like Warheads collabed with Laffy Taffy. So it's very sour, and I think that will be a fun one to add for the kids. Then I got this huge bag of 28 pieces of bubblegum pops. I love a freaking lollipop. Like, they're so fun, especially with the gum in the middle, and love the packaging. I'm not so much getting Halloween. This seems to be a knockoff brand though. of whatever lollipop it's called. I don't know what the name is, but you can tell it's not that brand. It's like whatever this brand is. And you get Tutti Frutti, green apple, and strawberry. Now, what I've noticed, I have not seen at Dollar Tree, are the lollipops that change the color of your tongue, and they're black for Halloween, which is so freaking cool. I haven't seen that this year at my store. Okay, next up we've got the Sweet and Sours Mix-Ins. I've never seen this bag. This to me is new, unless while I was in Florida last Halloween, they did this elsewhere and they just weren't at my Florida stores. Now I've seen Dollar Tree do a mix of candy. This one you get over 35 pieces. Now what the hell does over 35 pieces mean? Does it mean like 36? You know what I mean? Because maybe it's not 40, but like what is it? I don't know how that works. But here are all the little candies that come in there. This one looks really interesting with the sour filling. That I feel like is a new type of candy in these little mix bags that I've never seen from Dollar Tree before. These right here are actually some of my favorites. And then you get the Tiger Pops, and you get the Bon Bum gum-filled lollipops. Love those. Now this isn't Halloween, but I decided to throw it in this candy video anyways. These are just the Nerds gummy clusters. These are not individually wrapped. But you know, I don't know. If you want to get a bag for every kid, that'd be a lot of money. But I just love these, so I honestly got it for myself. Then I got this little cutie. This is just Halloween candy, obviously. Like, you could give this out if you wanted to. It's just candy corn, but it's in this cute little thing. I wish I would have seen other ones. I don't know if they had like a ghost topper or a witch topper. That would have been really cute. All I found was the pumpkin. So there's that. All right, then we have the cotton candy. This is relatively new in the last year or so. And I've seen Dollar Tree do this exact same format, this exact same brand for other holidays. So I feel we can fully expect the same concept for Christmas as well. So this is a cotton candy party pack. You get 3 packs in here, and each one is individually wrapped. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do my thumbnail before I start opening candy. So I went ahead and took my thumbnail. These are really cool. I think they're also really special, especially if you want to like just put a mix of different things in for the kids. Like, look how darling that is. Like, can you imagine getting little individual bags of cotton candy? Like, I just can't. I can't. They are different colors, it's hard to tell, but one is green, one is blue, and then this last one is pink. So I believe this one is watermelon. Look at that packaging. Yes, I love to see it. I'm gonna guess this is green apple, and this is blue raspberry. So, highly recommend those, even if you're like throwing a Halloween party or just for home, you're gonna do a movie night, even if it's just you. Like, yes, Mike is here, but a lot of times I'm really alone. You know, she does her thing, and, you know, this is something I could do for myself and have a little movie night and watch Hocus Pocus or Beetlejuice or whatever. Okay, next up, I picked up these Sour Patch Kids. I feel like this is a new batch this year from Sour Patch. These are the zombies. Super cute. And it just includes 2 flavors, raspberry and orange. So, love that. All right, here we have another bag of mix-ins. What? I'm gonna show you guys the 2 bags side by side so that you can just kind of see. Okay, so this is sweet and sour, and these are chewy and gummy. Love to see it, Dollar Tree. This is probably my favorite thing that I've seen them do. But yeah. So, very smart. Then we have this variety pack. I've seen these little candy sticks for years and years. Honestly, this might be one of the oldest Dollar Tree candies, I feel like. I could be wrong. But I've seen this Tom and Jerry Scooby-Doo Flintstones for a while now. They're just like these little candy sticks, and they come in these cute little boxes in here. So, you know, very unique. We have the same thing, but in a superhero format. So, you know, you've got Superman and Batman in this one, which is very adorable. For my junk journalers out there, you could also save the packaging and junk journal with it, and these little boxes and crush them down and junk journal with it. So throwing that out there. I didn't realize that I got 2 bags of the sweet and sour mix-ins, but I'm not mad about it. I mean, it is over 35 pieces, so this will be a really great addition to the other candy that I'll get. I think this year I am going to do a variety of this and just the bigger candy from Walmart, because it's just a better deal, honestly. You know, that's where you're just going to hurt a little bit from Dollar Tree. You're not going to get very much for $1.25. So I'm probably going to get like the chocolate bags, and then I'm going to mix all of this in there. But I do think I'm going to go back and get several more bags of these mix-ins if there's still candy left. And then last but not least, we have the adorable little lollipops. Like, the lollipops are just too cute for me. You've got Frankenstein, witches' hats. They're individually wrapped as well. Love that, as they should be. And then the little ghosts and the pumpkins. I want to just say, this doesn't just have to be for the kids. You could totally decorate with this, put this in tier trays, put this in your own little spooky bowl of candy, you know, for when your guests walk in, grab a little candy. Like, these are cute. You could even probably like decorate little cupcakes with these and use them as little toppers. Cut the stick down a little bit, stick them in the cupcake, and that would actually be really adorable. Also very great for sending out in care packages. I will say, in my past years, I've tried candy in my videos. Who remembers when I had like the like ring pop, but you put it in your mouth and it was like spooky lips and the teeth were a mess kind of thing. I didn't see any of that this year. I didn't see anything fun or funny in that sense. So I would have to say I've had better hauls with this, but I am really excited for these. The mix-ins and the cotton candy, probably one of my top favorites that I've seen Dollar Tree do. And I'm sure there is more candy out there, but this is what I could personally get my hands on. And that's gonna be it for our annual 2023 Dollar Tree candy haul. Comment down below, let me know what your signature style is. Are you a mixed variety, or do you do popcorn? I don't know. Tell me what you guys do. I know back in my day, people gave out apples too. Like, there were people who didn't want to give out sugary treats and they gave out apples and stuff. What is it that you do? There was a year where I didn't even have any trick-or-treaters. So, you know, whatever. So sometimes I know you don't do any candy, but anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.